How to upload 4K Reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, launch the Play Store application and search for Instagram. Now just make sure that you have the latest version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So just tap on open and it will lead us to the Instagram application on our device. So make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will lead you to settings and activity over here. Then scroll down to the very end and here you can see the option of data usage and media quality. So tap on it and here you can see the option of media upload quality. So just upload at highest quality needs to be toggled on. As you toggle on this option, you'll be able to upload the 4K Reels on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.